feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all these.
So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chaithanya. Today we are heading towards Allah's, and from there I will go to RYNOX store, which is newly opened in HSR layout. So after we go to Allah's, we are gonna go to RYNOX store, which is the third store in Bangalore right now. One is in Kalyan Nagar side, HSR some layout something, and other is in RR Rajaji Nagar. And this is the new one which is open today in HSR layout. So we are gonna visit that. So we just completed eating in Allah's and now we are heading towards RYNOX store. Yeah, thanks.
My friend has the same helmet.
Oh,
It's a multi-starter.
okay.
It's got multi-fucking starter written behind.
Oh, nice. Start lane undi. So we just came to the RYNOX store in HSR layout. Yeah, catch you guys inside. I just came for the RYNOX store in HSR layout. So I'll just show you everything over here right now. You have fitting options for 2 color options. These So this is the jacket which I have. It's in yellow, like neon color over here, and I have the white color. this is the gloves which I'm using right now. So these are the rain jackets, and I'm taking one of these ones, like this color. So this is the jacket which I'm buying now, the rainproof jacket. So this is the jacket which I just got it now, from the Rhinox store in HSR. So we just finished shopping and we just had a good chat with the staff over there, and it was nice meeting everyone out there. So now we are heading back to the room. So yeah. So we had a good chat with the people in the store, and yeah, got some good knowledge about riding gears and all the stuff. So do check the store and try getting some riding gears from them. It's not only them, you can get it anywhere, but get a riding jacket. I use the riding jackets of RYNOX, so I would recommend that, and I haven't used any other, so I don't know how it is. And whenever you buy a jacket or gloves or riding pant or whatever, try to check the guards, like the safety guards which are inside the jacket and all, so that you get a good protection. Yeah, so as I mentioned in the earlier videos that I wanted a rainproof jacket, and yeah, today I just got it in the Rhinox store. I actually wanted that from a long time, because In the climate of Bangalore, it is must that you have that. It's so much rainy out here, so if you have a rain jacket, it's well and good for you. It's not only about the rain jacket, you must have a riding gear as well. This is the worst road. What do you say, Radhiraj?
Yeah.
Worst road. So yeah, I forgot to introduce you to my friend.
My name is Dheeraj.
Yeah, I'll show him again over there. We're gonna stop for a
Motorcycle expert.
yeah.
Any doubts?
The mechanic.
Not a mechanic.
So this is the place where we chill. Yeah, he's Dheeraj.
Yeah.
This man, this big man. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more, and keep riding and be safe. Thank you.